Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the first chapter from our first unit, that was Animal Kingdom. Okay, so this was the topic that we have discussed in our previous session. So today in this session, I'm going to start with the second topic from the unit number 1, that is the natural world. Okay, so the next topic that you can see here that I have shared on the screen, that is where in the world. Okay, so this is the next topic that we are going to discuss in our today's session, and this is given at page number 10. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 10, that is where in the world. Okay, so because this is the topic that we are going to discuss in our today's session. Clear? So here, so all of you just open the book, where in the world. Go and at page number 10. So first of all, that what is the meaning of the topic where in the world? Okay, so इस topic का मतलब क्या है? Where in the world? So the meaning of this topic where in the world is दुनिया में कहाँ. If we go with the word to word meaning of this sentence, दुनिया में कहाँ. Okay, so that means in this we will discuss about the certain various natural barriers, natural nature made beautiful lakes, rivers, uh, mountains, and many other things. Okay, so that we are going to discuss that actually where they extinct. Okay, some of them are very popular. Okay, some of them are the largest, some of them the longest, some of them the highest in a certain category, and we are going to discuss about these various beautiful natural wonders. Okay, so here first of all, moving to the heading that is given here, the first is these pictures show some of the wonders of our natural world. Read the clues and names these places. Pick your answers from the help box given on the next page. Okay, so here as you can see here the picture. So we will start with the first. It is the largest river. Okay, I'm just a little bit zooming it. So the first is it is the largest river in the world in the terms of the volume of water it contains. It is located in the South America. It flows through Brazil, Peru, parts of Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and the Venezuela. So now we are talking about one of the largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water. ओके, तो हम दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी, सबसे लार्जेस्ट, लंबी नहीं लार्जेस्ट, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी रिवर की बात कर रहे हैं इन द टर्म्स ऑफ वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. तो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी रिवर, द लार्जेस्ट रिवर इन द वर्ल्ड, एंड इट कंटेन्स द मैक्सिमम वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर. Okay, so what is the name of this largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water? That is River Amazon. That is River Amazon, and it is located in South America. River Amazon, River Amazon, that is located in South America. Okay, not only in South America, it also flows through ये बहुत सारे other countries. It also flows through the various other countries as well. The first is, okay, so here they have mentioned the name of the various countries. The first is Brazil, then Peru, parts of Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and Venezuela. So these are the names of certain other countries in which this beautiful and the largest river in the world is located, that is River Amazon. Okay, and just you need to keep in your mind that the River Amazon is the largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water. Okay, Now, moving next to the second one. The second is it is the highest mountain range in the world. It stretches from about 2500 kilometer from west to east. Most of it lies in China, India, Nepal and the Bhutan. So now we are talking about the highest mountain range in the world. तो दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे माउंटेन रेंज की हम बात कर रहे हैं. It stretches about from about 2500 kilometers from west to east. Okay, so this is the highest mountain ranges in the world, and that is located as one of the natural boundary of our country, that is the Himalayas. So the Himalayas, they are termed as one of the natural boundaries of our country, and this is the highest mountain range in the world. जो हिमालयज हैं बेटा, वो दुनिया के सबसे बड़े सबसे ऊंचे माउंटेन रेंजेस हैं, एंड इट स्ट्रेचेस फॉर अबाउट 2500 kilometers from west to east. Okay, and the distance or the area covered by these Himalayas, so stretches means कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है, ये कहाँ तक फैला हुआ है. So it stretches near about 2500 kilometers from west to east. Okay, so that means these Himalayas, they are stretched from about 2500 kilometers from west to east. So west से लेके east तक near about 2500 kilometers of area that is being covered by these Himalayas. Okay, and you know in which country these Himalayas lie? So these Himalayas, they lies in China, India, Nepal and Bhutan. So you can find these Himalayas in China, India, Nepal and Bhutan, because these are the natural things, these are the natural wonders, so they can't lie in one of the particular country. ये किसी particular country में नहीं होते, because nature, they don't have boundaries. The nature has no boundaries, so it lies in the different countries. So the river, that is natural, so it flows to different countries. You can't say कि that ये India की है, ये Pakistan की यहाँ, no. So the natural boundaries or the natural wonders, they lies, they passes through the different countries, so they don't have particular boundaries. The nature has no boundaries, so nature cover everything under it. Okay, so the boundaries are made by the humans, so the nature don't believe in the boundaries made by the humans. Okay, so these, the Himalayas, these are the highest mountain ranges in the world, and it stretches near about 2500 kilometers from west to east. Chaliye, moving next to the third one. The third is it is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area. It is the largest, the coldest, and the deepest of the five Great Lakes of North America. It lies between the United States and the Canada. So now we are talking about the largest freshwater lake in the world by the surface area. तो दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी फ्रेश वाटर लेक, तो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक इन द वर्ल्ड? दैट इज लेक सुपीरियर. That is Lake Superior. Okay, so Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world by the surface area, and it is the largest, the coldest, and the deepest of the five Great Lakes of North America. So देखिए, there are five lakes in North America. So there are five great lakes that are located in North America. Okay, and उनमें उन five lakes means झील, उन 5 lakes में से this is one of the largest. उसमें सबसे बड़ी, the coldest सबसे ठंडी, the deepest सबसे गहरी लेक है, and this is Lake Superior, and this is the largest freshwater lake in the world, and it is one of the coldest, the largest, and the deepest 5 Great Lakes of North America. It lies between the United States and the Canada. So these lakes, they lies between the United States and the Canada. तो ये Canada और United States में lie करती है. Okay, so this is Lake Superior. This is Lake Superior. Okay. So here the question arises is, this is the largest freshwater lake in the world. So what is the name of the largest freshwater lake in the world? That is Lake superior. Okay, and this lake is one of the coldest, largest, and the deepest five Great Lakes of North America, and it lies between the United States and the Canada. Okay, chaliye. Moving next to the fourth point here. Now we are going to talk about the Abhi tak in the last 3 points we have discussed about the largest river. Then we have talked about the highest mountain range. The third one was the largest lake. Now we'll talk about the highest waterfall. Waterfall means jharna. Now we'll talk about the highest waterfall in the world. So as you can see in the last 3 points, and this is the fourth one, we have discussed about the three different things. Okay, there's a natural wonders. Now fourth natural wonder we are talking about, that is the waterfalls. So now it is the highest waterfall in the world. It is on the river Churun in Venezuela. The water here falls 979 meter. Falls from 979 meter. And the name of this waterfall, the highest waterfall in the world, is that is Angel Falls. So Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. Okay, and it is on the river Churun in Venezuela. So Venezuela में जो river Churun है, okay, so this waterfall lies there. Okay, and here the water falls from the height of 979 meter. So near about 1 kilometer approximately इस waterfall पे जो पानी है that falls from the near about the height of near about the 1 kilometer, but exactly the height is 979 meters. Okay, so this is the height of the waterfall from where the water falls. Okay, so this is the highest waterfall in the world, and it is located on the river that is Churun. The Churun is the name of the river, and that river is located in Venezuela. Okay, and the name of this waterfall is Angel Falls. So the name of this river waterfall is Angel Falls. So Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. Chaliye. Now moving to the fifth one. The fifth is now largest lake in Africa. So though we have talked about the largest freshwater lake in the world, so now we will talk about the largest lake in Africa. So there are numerous lakes that are located in Africa, but now in this we will talk about the largest lake in Africa. So here they have said it is the largest lake in Africa. It is bordered by the Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda. So these three are the names of the South African countries. Okay. So this is the largest lake in Africa. So Africa continent jo hai. So they okay. So this is one of the largest lake in the African continent. So name of this lake is Lake Victoria. So Lake Victoria is the largest lake in the African continent, and in African continent this Lake Victoria is bordered by the three different countries. The first is the Kenya, second is Tanzania, and the third is Uganda. Okay, so Lake Victoria, this is the largest lake in Africa. Second thing, it is the largest lake in the African continent. Second thing is it is this Lake Victoria. It is bordered by the three different countries of the African continent, that is Kenya, Tanzania, and the Uganda. Okay, so this is Lake Victoria. So now in this topic, up to this point number 5, we have discussed about the 5 different wonders. Okay, so I'll just give a quick recall of the 5, and then we will move to the sixth one. So the first that we discussed was the largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water. So here the question arises, which is the largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water? So the answer is river Amazon. You know, the Amazon naam se there is an online shopping site is there. Amazon forest is also there. Okay, so river Amazon, this is the largest river in the world in the terms of volume of water. Moving next to the second one. The second is the highest mountain range in the world. So now we will talk about the highest mountain range. Okay, sorry, we have already discussed. So which is the highest mountain range in the world? That is the Himalayas. Okay, and the Himalayas, they are the highest mountain range in the world, and it covers near about 20 the area of 2500 kilometers from west to east. Okay, and they lies from between China, Nepal, Bhutan, and India. So in the Asian, the Himalayas, they lies in the Asian continent, in our continent, in which our India is located. The third one we had discussed was the largest freshwater lake in the world. So the largest freshwater lake in the world was Lake Superior. So Lake Superior was the largest freshwater lake in the world. Okay, and this is one of the coldest, the deepest, and the largest um, five Great Lakes of the North America. And this Lake Superior is one of the largest freshwater lake in the world. Okay, the name of this the lake is Lake Superior. Moving next to the fourth one, the highest waterfall. So which is the highest waterfall in the world? So the highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls, and it is located in Venezuela, and it is, and here the water falls from the height of near about 979 meters, which is near about 1 kilometers. Okay, so this is the Angel Falls is the highest waterfall in the world. The fifth point that we have already discussed was the largest lake in the African continent. So the largest lake in African continent is that is Lake Victoria. And this Lake Victoria is bordered by the three different countries of African continent, that was Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda. Okay, chaliye. So this was the 5 points that we have discussed from the topic where in the world. Next we'll discuss about the next is, okay, so now we will moving to the sixth point. Okay, so now we will discuss about the sixth point. It is the largest volcano in the world. It is the island. It is on the islands of Hawaii. It rises to around 4,170 meter above sea level and covers half of the island. So now we are talking about the volcano. Okay, so this is the largest volcano in the world. It is on the islands of Hawaii. It rises to around 4,170 meters above sea level and covers half of the island. So this is the largest volcano in the world. So the name of this volcano is Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa is the largest, सबसे दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा volcano है. So Mauna Loa is the largest volcano in the world, and it is located on the islands of Hawaii. You know volcanoes, okay, Jwalamukhi, they are located on the islands only. And this Mauna Loa volcano is located on the highlands of Hawaii. Okay, and when it bursts, okay, जब ये volcano फटता है, so it rises near about the around 4,170 meter above sea level and covers half of the island. So this is quite very highest or the largest volcano in the world, and it is located on the islands of Hawaii. I think Hawaii is in the Indonesian continent. Okay, so the height of this volcano is 4,170 meters from the sea level. Okay, so mostly the heights are measured from the sea level only. Okay, and this the largest volcano in the world has covered near about the covers near about half of the area of this Hawaii island. Okay, so the name of the largest volcano in the world is Mauna Loa. That is Mauna Loa, and it is located on the islands of Hawaii, and its height is near about 4,170 meters. So it's quite very high from the sea level, and it also covers a very vast area on the this island of Hawaii, which, okay, so near about half of the area is covered by this volcano only. Okay, that is Mauna Loa. Chaliye, moving next to the seventh one. Okay, so the seventh one is, these are the two mountain ranges that run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea coast. Okay, they are separated by a long, narrow coastal lands. So now we are talking about the two mountain ranges that run parallel to the Bay of Bengal. So these two mountain ranges run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea coast. So now we are talking about the two mountain ranges that run parallel to each other. Okay, so we are talking about the two mountain ranges that run parallel to each other. तो दो mountain ranges की हम बात कर रहे हैं जो कि एक दूसरे के parallel चलती हैं. Okay, and these two mountain ranges, they run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. So Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea ke parallel these mountain ranges run. Okay, and these two parallel mountain ranges, they are separated by the coastal lands, long narrow coastal land. Long लंबे, narrow मतलब लंबे लेकिन पतले coastal lands means the area near the sea, that is known as the coastal lands. Okay, so these mountain ranges, they run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Okay, the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea, you must be knowing this. So this is from the southern part of India, one is on the left and one is on the another. So as you can see here in the map as well. Okay, so in the southern part here, at one side we are having the Arabian Sea, on the other side we are having the Bay of Bengal, जिसको बंगाल की खाड़ी बोला जाता है. Okay, and there are these two mountain ranges, they are being separated by the coastal lands. Okay, and the coastal land, that is quite very narrow, and but it is long as well. Okay, so the name of these parallel mountain ranges is, that is Eastern and the Western Ghats. These are Eastern and Western Ghats, and they are located, they run parallel to the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. Chaliye, moving next to the eighth one. This river flows through China, India and the Bangladesh. Starting from the Himalayan mountains, it flows from around 2900 kilometers to meet the river Ganga in the Bangladesh. Okay, and this river is also one of the longest river of the Asian continent. So the name of this river is River Brahmaputra. We are talking about the river Brahmaputra. तो हम ब्रह्मपुत्र river की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, and you know this river Brahmaputra, it starts from the Himalayas. Okay, so it originates from the Himalayas only. Okay, so before reaching the India, okay, before entering in the region of India, it flows through China, okay, and the Bangladesh as well. So it passes through three countries, that is India, China and Bangladesh. Okay, and it starts from the Himalayan mountain ranges, and when it meets the Ganga river in Bangladesh, so up to that point it covers near about 2900 kilometers of uh, kilometers to meet the Ganga in the Bangladesh. And this देखिए जो river Brahmaputra is the longest river in the world, though, or sorry, longest river in the Asian continent, and it passes through the three different countries, India, China and the Bangladesh. And you know, this river is known as Brahmaputra in India, but in other two countries, in Bangladesh it is also known as the river Brahmaputra, but in China it is known with some other name. I don't know the name exactly, but in Bangladesh, sorry, in China it is known as some other name, but whereas in India it is known as the river Brahmaputra, as well as in Bangladesh as well. Okay, so river Brahmaputra, it covers near about the 2900 kilometer, डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2900 किलोमीटर्स. सो जब ये रिवर ब्रह्मपुत्र बांग्लादेश में आके गंगा नदी से मिलती है, सो उससे पहले इट कवर्स नियर अबाउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2900 kilometers, फ्रॉम दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द हिमालयाज टू वाया चाइना. ओके, so this is one of the longest river of the Asian continent. Clear? Next is the ninth is, it is the largest island in the world. So now we are talking about the islands. Okay, so before that we have talked about the rivers, volcanoes in this point on this page, and the mountain ranges. Now we are talking about the island. Okay, so this is the largest island in the world. Its surface lies mostly buried under a huge ice sheet in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is a part of Denmark as well. So now we are talking about one of the largest island in the world. So what is the name of this largest island in the world? That is Greenland. Okay, so Greenland is known as one of the largest island in the world. And there's a very unique thing about the Greenland is that though its name is Greenland, but it is completely covered by the ice sheet. ओके, तो इसका नाम तो ग्रीनलैंड है बट एक्चुअली इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली covered, so there is nothing related to its name. So it is not green at all. It is completely covered with snow, or you can see the ice sheet. Okay, and this is also the Greenland. This is the largest island in the world. Okay, and its surface lies mostly buried under a huge ice sheet in the North Atlantic Ocean. So the Greenland, most of the surface, most of the area of the Greenland is covered under a huge ice sheet. एक लंबी सी बर्फ की चादर के अंदर ज़्यादातर एरिया जो है इस ग्रीनलैंड का, दैट इज़ एक लंबी सी बर्फ की चादर के अंदर ढका हुआ है इन द नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन, इन द नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ओशन. Okay, and this Greenland, the largest island in the world, it is also the part of the Denmark. Okay, so this Greenland is the part of the Denmark. Okay, so you can see here in the picture that is given here. Okay, Greenland ice sheet, Greenland. Okay, so this is completely covered under the ice sheet. Though the name is Greenland, but it is not green at all. It is completely covered with ice sheet. And the other thing about the Iceland, Iceland is also there, and that is completely green. जो Iceland है, that is completely green, so it has greenery. So they both are vice versa. The Greenland is completely covered with ice, whereas the Iceland is completely covered with completely green. Okay, so it's quite very funny fact about it. Chaliye, now moving to the last point, that is the point number 10. The depth of this ocean is more than the height of the Mount Everest. It also contains Mariana Trench, which is the deepest ocean trench in the world. Okay, so this is the now we're talking about the deepest ocean in the world. So which is the deepest ocean in the world, that is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world. ओके, तो दुनिया का जितने भी ओशंस हैं उसमें से दिस पैसिफिक ओशन इज वन ऑफ द डीपेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड ट्रेंच, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रेंच? ट्रेंच मीन्स सबसे गहरी एक ओशन का पॉइंट जहाँ पे वो सबसे ज़्यादा गहराई है उस ओशन की. सो द डीपेस्ट पॉइंट of an ocean is known as its trench. Okay, so and as this Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean in the world, so the deepest point or the deepest trench is the khai or the khadi, you can say khai. Okay, so the deepest trench of an ocean that also lies in this Pacific Ocean, and that trench is known as, the name of that deepest trench is, that is Mariana Trench. So it contains Mariana Trench, which is the deepest ocean trench in the world. Okay, and this is the Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean, and another fact about the Pacific Ocean is that the depth of Pacific Ocean is more than the height of Mount Everest. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world, and the depth of Pacific Ocean is more than its height. So that means जितनी Mount Everest की ऊंचाई है उससे भी ज़्यादा Pacific Ocean की गहराई है. So you can imagine that how deepest it is. Okay, so the depth of this Pacific Ocean is more than the height of the Mount Everest. So that's why it is known as the deepest ocean in the world. And the most deepest point of the trench, that is Mariana Trench, that is also lies in this in this ocean only, that is Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this was the last point that we have discussed in the session. Okay, so this was our topic class, in which we have discussed about the various natural wonders that are present all around us. Okay, so this was my today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody have a great day.